What's going on, everyone? I'm the JakeOfALL, and after that last car wash video, I got something special for you. I'm gonna need the camera girl. Hey, come here.
Yeah?
Come here.
Oh.
No, come here, I need your help.
Oh, Jesus.
Say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
All right, you're gonna blow.
I don't think that's the appropriate media platform.
No, you're gonna blow.
Oh, okay. Shoot. You had me worried there for a second.
Where's your mind? It's the blow-a-thon. We are gonna compare and show you something cool.
So we're gonna have
this little thing, which, I mean, look at how floppy my end is.
It won't be floppy after
Whoa, okay. I thought you said we were doing family friendly. No. All right, well, let's go ahead and let's get to it.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Start blowing.
Okay. All puns aside, I've got one that's gonna blow you away. Oh, I've already started. So, you know what you're supposed to do. Before we get too far into it, make sure you click subscribe. Make sure you click the little notification. If you guys don't like the reels and all the other little things, the YouTube stories, well, sorry about your luck. There's nothing I can do about it. The algorithm makes me do it. But we're gonna get into it. We've got a new blower, and the reason why we got this blower is because my last one sucked. It was doing a terrible job. But on serious note, this was actually bought because of this, which is an inflator. So if you want to blow up rafts, which PACKOUT Princess likes unicorn rafts and all kinds of rafts, and so I got her that, and my kids use it to blow the stuff off the driveway and leaves. Even though we don't really have many trees, we somehow end up with a lot of leaves, and it just wasn't cutting it. And then we started actually caring about her car because she got a car she liked, and this thing, while you can use this with this rubber tip and not scratch, it's awkward. And I'll show you in a little bit, but it's awkward like this, okay? So I wanted to get something bigger, and a buddy of mine on Instagram tagged another creator that creates these, which is a Stubby Nozzle, stubbynozzles.com, I believe it is. I'll put a link. This goes on here, and this is gonna be perfect for PACKOUT Princess's Mustang and cleaning the Raptor, because doing it by hand with one of those little chamois just takes forever. So let's go ahead and get this sucker opened. We'll get some weights and a couple other things like that. Where's that tag? Free stuff. All right, here it is. Isn't it pretty? The M18 Blower. It's a fuel. This one is not a fuel. And what do we want to know about it, right? So it is the 2724-20. Let me take the battery out. Take the nozzles off. You can see, size-wise, it's about similar height without nozzles. We'll put the nozzle on it in a second. So this uses sort of, a twisty, a cyclone-y, and this is more of like a turbine-y jetty thing, right? So there's your technical motor difference. I wanted to get a couple things off these because a lot of people are like, well, I like this, I like this. So let's do some weights and some general knowledge for you all. And then we'll, show us both blowing. So that one's 2 pounds, 7 ounces bare, no nozzle. And the new one, that will not sit on a scale, is 4 pounds, 1.8 ounces. So not double, but almost there. With the nozzle, let's go ahead and do that. 4 pounds, 14 ounces. 3 pounds, 2 ounces. So still 2+ pounds, almost 2 pounds more. 14, 16, whatever. Stubby nozzle probably takes away some weight. I'm gonna throw a battery in these. Let's look at this. All right, we got 4. Let's listen to this guy. That's snail. Now let's put it on rabbit. how it's blowing the blower? You know what, let's just for fun, let's bring out another toy. So it's about 93 decibels. It's not quiet, I'll tell you that. $91. Is this visible? Can they see this? Can they see? Mm-hmm. Still at 91?
It was like 93 at one point.
Yeah, so 93. So it's heavier, but is it louder? Right, so it's bigger and it blows better. We have a way of testing it. We're gonna actually test it on a couple different ways. It's gonna be me with this one. I'll get a kid with this one, and we're gonna go and see if she can go back. I'm joking. All right, so if you didn't know, on the bottom of the blower, there's actually a latch for removing this. And why did we remove it? Well, this guy we're going to install. And it works just like the Milwaukee one.
It looks like a little shark.
Look at how stubby it is. Is that not sexy?
I feel like I should be in a sci-fi movie.
It's like a chode. Wait.
That's to go along with the blowing.
Hey, let's see if this changes the sound much. Should we?
Yeah, and you should see how much it weighs.
All right.
93.
Okay.
What about the weight?
Take the battery off. 4.75. It's not bad. Well, what we're gonna do, I have two tests. Because I wanna see how much better this blows than this. And we're gonna do it with the stock nozzle when we check that blow. But I also wanna see how well this does. Because I really don't wanna switch back and forth, even though it is as simple as play with the lever. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go outside and we're gonna set up a couple little test methods, and then I'm gonna show you what makes this stubby nozzle the best. So we'll be right back.
Tell them what we're gonna do.
We got some Spanish moss, because we get tons of this, and we got the little dinky one, and we're gonna see how well it does.
Okay, are you ready?
So you're blowing this at you?
Yes.
Oh, okay, we're doing this Tokyo Drift style.
Ready. On your headset. That was so slow.
Boy, this blows.
It does blow. Alright. So let's toss it back over there.
I suggest we blow it back over there. So this is an outtake.
Look, I got him to do yard work.
All right,
Okay,
round
you ready?
2, stock Milwaukee.
Go. That's not even fair.
All right, so we know that that's a winner, right?
That's the winner.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and change the nozzle for you. Ready?
Geez. Okay, go. That does a pretty good job too.
So I guess the answer is we don't have to keep changing them back and forth. And we're gonna show you what this thing is really good for.
Okay.
You don't have to put that back. You
What?
gotta go over there.
But at least it's like in one pile then.
Oh my God.
Oh, okay, whatever.
All right. You turned off the camera, right?
No, you have to go turn the camera off.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good. It's off. All right, it's my turn, right?
What are you doing?
It's my turn.
Oh, you really think you can do better than?
No.
All right, let's go. Actually, the neighbors are watching.
That went a little far. I don't have my bathing suit on for this one.
I know,
You gotta do your snappy thing. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work this time? Try it. Try it. Just jump.
No.
Okay. Sorry, I tried. So what's the advantage, right? Look at how much shorter it is. Obviously, you saw how much better it blew. And when you're going like that and it can barely move the moss, imagine that, right? But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna move out of the way, is gonna get her car wet. Okay, so just imagine the car's wet and you're using this, right? And it's blowing it off. Trying to get the water off the car so that you don't have to use 16 chamois. So let's get it wet again. So now, at one, I can't scratch the paint. That's the advantage of that. Blows. So, as I always say, you can get a lot closer with this than you can with this. And yes, you can do this and make it a little closer. It'll do it, but as you saw, besides her down there, I actually like the way this one blows better. Have I made enough blowing jokes? So, I will put a link in the description for the Stubby Nozzle. This guy, you know where you can get this. You can get this just about anywhere. I'll probably put an Ohio Power Tool link for you Ohio Power Tool fans, and the rest of you that don't want to order online and want to go into a store. I'm pretty sure Home Depot has them. But, excuse me. Apparently never mind. Bad joke. Yeah, it definitely blows, and it blows well. Weight-wise, it's heavier, I get it, but I can use this for yard work, and I can use it for car detailing, and I don't have to have that big nozzle. I don't have to worry about scratching the paint. So, you saw how this helps, right? Blow off the car. You saw that it has more power for that, and that little one, I don't have anything wrong with it. It's great for doing rafts, and this isn't going to do a raft. You can imagine the reducers on it. So it obviously, they both have their place. This one will now be the yard work / car clean. And a little quick tip on this one, if you guys want to hang this and you don't want some fancy stuff, there's a hanger, part of it. There's a little hole, you put a screw on the wall, it slides down on it. The last one I had, that's how it hung. So it's a pretty good way to blow, and you know, I like it, so. What?
Hey, come on, I got a better way to blow instead of that.
Oh. Okay, well I better hurry up.
Wrap it up.
So there's like the 14th. So check the description for links for the nozzles, links for the blower. There's no links for her. I mean, shush. If you guys have any questions, have any comments, what would you use this for? Comment below, and don't forget, if you didn't listen, subscribe, hit the notification, and thanks for watching, everyone. But don't leave yet, because you need to click this video, because this is really cool. You got to click that button to subscribe. You got to go here, 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 and here. Awesome. We'll see you guys later on the next one. I'm the JakeOfALL. Back out. All right, now we're going to take 2.